This is the statement of work generator template. And I actually got this idea for creating this template from a consultant because he talked about different things that he wanted to automate that take a really long time. And this was one of the things that when you're a consultant, you have to be contracted for this, and it takes a long time to be able to create and review and get this process together. And what the purpose of this is to help you along the way to create this big, long document so you can be able to get focused on your work and not on creating a document. All right, so it takes 3 inputs here, which is the summary and purpose of the project, which you should be able to know, and how large will the project be, what we'll cover, that's the scope, and just the broad range of how far are you going to go with this specific project that you're working on, and what are going to be your deliverables. Lastly, what are you going to give the company that you are consulting or contracted to work for or freelancing for, one of those things. And so it's going to help you to create this contract. And so we're going to take all this information and draft the scope section, the objective section, and the deliverables section. And so we're going to create all of these major sections of the statement of work, and it's going to create each individually and then put all into a compiled document and then give it an output. And so I'm going to run it and time how long this takes. So I just finished this flow and it took about 57 seconds. And so something that could take a couple days, several hours to be able to go through, it gets done in less than a minute. And not saying that this AI system is going to be perfect, and obviously there's going to be specific instructions you need for your statement of work, but it's going to be able to help you get almost all the way there. And it's going to be able to prepare you for doing your work. So this is here to help you and not to replace you. It's helping you to focus on what is most important. And so this right here is the final output. And this is for some example data that I had, and it's going to go through each one of these things and create that big log document for you. You can edit this flow any way you like. You can try it out yourself, and you can be able to make copies for different projects that you are working on. I hope this was helpful to you. And if you have a specific template that you use for your statement of work, you can also create that and put in the additional instructions. You can be able to put, hey, follow this template, and put everything that you've used so far and use this template to be able to pattern the information that you've been given and create a new project. All right. And so it's completely up to you. You can change it however you want and just go wild with it. So hope this is helpful.